In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your AirPods Pro 3 have a buzzing going on or some static noise. Sometimes it's only on one of them, not on both. Sometimes it's both of them having the issue. So why is it happening? Well, there's many different causes to this problem. One of them, and most of the time this is what's enabling this static noise, is the fact that the microphones that are on the AirPod itself, so you see this black grill over here, there's another one over here, these grills get blocked by sometimes debris like dust, hair, or even dirt over time. And if the mics are not working properly in transparency mode and also in noise cancelling, it will create a very annoying static. So what you should do, take a small brush, could be a toothbrush or maybe even a microfiber, but a brush is much better than a microfiber since it can go in the small holes of the grill. And you'll go ahead and gently brush the grill and make sure that it's clean. Don't need to put any liquids, okay? Just using a small brush like this. I think you can also use, some people are using these, I think, for their teeth. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll put a link in the description towards Amazon if you want to get one of these. They're very useful even for your iPhone. So simply clean those grills, one over here and one over there as well. Make sure there's no dust again, anything. If you have a compressed air can, you can also blow directly in them after you went with the brush to eliminate everything. So once you've done this, do the same with the other one. Even if it wasn't causing you any static issues, it's better to clean it so it doesn't happen in the future. And once you're done, go ahead, try them, and hopefully after that they will work. Now, if you're still having issues, you can do a factory reset of your AirPods Pro 3. Go in the settings of your iPhone, click settings, select Bluetooth, select your AirPods from the list of Bluetooth devices. These are mine. Click the eye icon here and then select forget this device and click forget device to confirm. And usually after doing this, they will be removed from your iPhone. After you've done this, take your AirPods, double tap in the front, double tap again, and double tap a third time. This will factory reset them. So after flashing red, it will start flashing white. Okay, you see, it means that they are now in pairing mode. So you can simply bring your iPhone closer and pair them once again. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment if it worked, and comment if it didn't work. So if you have another tip, I'll be very curious to know, and maybe I'll make a future video about it.